All right, I don't understand why Jacob at Sundown is so obsessed with butt plugs and the pole piece sticking way out. So I just finished this recone. So the epoxy is still a little squishy. And I was like, maybe I should cut this at an angle so that way, because I want to put a concave dust cap on here. This fucker was in there and I'm like, that thing's gonna fucking bottom out. I was like, bummed. I was like, what can I do? Well, what I did was I took a 15-30 seconds and it fits right in that hole nice and snug. You just want to put the tip in. Probably, I think I did it like this because I didn't really give a shit about this. This is a fucking $10 bit set. And then you just massage it back and forth with the old mallet from Harbor Freight. No, this is from Walmart. Sorry, my bad. Hyper Tough. I think these were on sale for like $3. And you just give it a little taparoo, and it came out. So what did you need? So again, why it's shaped like a butt plug, I don't know. I assume it's to keep the coil from leaving the gap and getting stuck. Let's just say that. But if it's for cooling, why aren't there fins on it? This is for your butthole. This is seriously for your butthole. Love you guys.